Kozhukattai today. This snack box is really cool and I love Ammini Kozhukattai. Papa, let's make Ammini Kozhukattai. Let's start making some Ammini Kozhukattai or mini Kozhukattai. I'm going to be making the dough using 1 cup of roasted rice flour. For that, I need to use 1.5 cup of water. Let's add 1.5 cups of water, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee. Let's wait for it to boil. When the water is warm, add 1/4 cup coconut milk powder. If you don't have coconut milk powder, don't worry. You can use coconut milk. You will add equal amounts of coconut milk and water. That is 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cups of milk. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame to sim and add roasted rice flour. Close the lid and cook for 1 minute. Do you know something? The same dough you can make some yummy Malabar patri and idiyappam, which I love. It is so good. We've cooked it for 1 minute now. Let's see that. Whoa! Mix it a little bit. Mix thoroughly and switch off. Cool it for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need it while it's still hot. It's still hot, but I'm able to manage. The dough has come out really well and it's really soft. Now let's roll it into small balls. I have a steamer here. I've already filled the water in it. Let's let it heat. Till then, let's roll the balls. I made 100 Ammini Kozhukattais. Let's steam it for 10 minutes. Whoa! Looks so cool. This is condensation. You can have it just as it is, but I'll recommend you one thing. If you have a potato stew, it'll taste heaven. I love having it with potato stew. But we are going to temper it. So let's move on to tempering the Kozhukattais. I'll just switch it on for now. Let's start with the tempering. First, add oil. I'm using coconut oil. Let it heat up for a while. Let's flutter mustard seeds. Add urad dal, add chili flakes, curry leaves, wow, good smell, it has an awesome aroma. Lastly, freshly grated coconut. Fry it until it's a golden brown. So it becomes the perfect color. Let's add the Ammini Kozhukattais onto the temper. And switch off the flame. And our Ammini Kozhukattais are ready. Let's serve. I'm going to take this to school and share it with all my friends. These look so tasty. I'm going to try one of them. This tastes amazing. Super good. Tastes so soft. It has a small spice. such a lovely flavor. I simply love it and I would love to share it with my classmates and you all. So thanks for watching KichTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye guys. Mwah.